So here at the Ronald McDonald House, we look after 20 families every night. And every night I have a wait list of at least 10, 20 families who want to come in here. We look after the families while the families look after their sick child. We offer them accommodation, we offer them a hot meal every day. And that's where companies like PJ Hegarty come in to help us. So by providing that, you're taking one more task away from a family who has a lot to think about.
Delighted to have been able to volunteer for this worthwhile cause. 6 of us have just cooked a meal for the families who are staying in Ronald McDonald House. I was cooking with Adrian today, somebody who I wouldn't have much dealings with in my normal day-to-day. There's people from other sites there as well. It's a good way for people in the company to meet each other. It's my 3rd time to volunteer, and I have to say it's very satisfying, and I'd be delighted to do it again in the near future. It's a really worthwhile cause and something that PJ Hegarty is happy to be involved with.
I love today. It was a great time to be with my co-workers and help each other towards something we could do together to give. I was tasked to do appetizers, so I made lumpia, which is like a Filipino traditional dish. We put a lot of love into it, and so we hope you enjoy it. The fact that PJ Hegarty was able to support us with this means a lot, so I definitely want to come back here.
To be part of a company that creates this opportunity for me and for all of the employees to be part of such an event, especially charities event, it's really meaningful for me. I was cooking spring rolls, but the team did stew and a banoffee as well. It's good to meet different people that I don't see every day and to share experience as well. I'm definitely going to come back next year, yeah.
PJ Hegarty have always been very good with their support. When we started the cycle, they would always be a sponsor, but more recently, in our last 2 years, they have been phenomenal in being our main sponsor. We have had an astounding 90,000 in sponsorship, in help and support, so that we can go on helping our families who need us.